This is me.
You know what that means?
I know what that means. But just everyone waits. Just look at all the nature. Because if you at least look on the bright side, you might feel the loving of nature. Wherever I am, whatever I'm working, whatever I'm dancing, wherever I'm going, look at all the nature. Wherever I'm walking, whatever I'm up to eat right now, whenever I'm about to drink. If you like Robux, subscribe to my channel because I love showing you content.